Last night, left Moab in the afternoon and drove down to just outside Canyonlands National Park. Camped on some BLM land and was planning on maybe trying to shoot some photos down there, but didn't really see anything I was loving. It was an awesome place, like super cool views, but just kind of had a relaxing evening. And then this morning I drove out of Utah and over to Durango, Colorado, which is where I am now. Don't really know what I'm gonna end up shooting here or where I'll go from here to shoot something. I'll figure something out though. It is now the next day. I was really hoping to do some hiking up in the San Juan National Forest near Durango, but after just sort of digging into it a bit more, I found that most of the, not just the trails, but even the roads to the trailheads for pretty much anywhere you want to hike are still all snowed in. It's just really too early in the season, so leaving Durango now, and I'm gonna head about 3 hours northeast to Great Sand Dunes National Park. Definitely not easy going, trying to get up these things. I mean, it's sand, so what I expect, but just awesome out here. Can't wait to get to the top. Bad idea. It's so wild up here. This is like instantly becoming my favorite place I've ever shot. I just met this guy named Bryce. He's way down there, just walking around on the dunes. I got some shots of him, kind of abstract, very, very sort of minimalist from far away, which I think are looking pretty nice. Bryce, if you're watching this, thanks for modeling from afar. At this point, I'm just kind of using the zoom lens, just kind of surveying the whole landscape, picking out nice little compositions. It's so cool. Moving on to a different spot now. Sorry I'm not filming a ton, just it's hard to juggle both cameras. Crazy wind blowing sand. Doing my best though. Sorry for not filming anymore up there. The battery in here died, and when I would have needed to replace it, the wind was just going the craziest it's been the whole time. Sand was blowing everywhere. And the light started to get so nice. Like the sun just kind of started to peek underneath the clouds and light up the sand dunes. I took one video with my phone just really quickly to try to show it. It was so awesome. So I used the zoom lens, looking at the dunes to the west, zoomed in all the way at 200 millimeters, and oh my gosh, the way they were lit up, just the backlight hitting the sand that was blowing off the tops of them, just incredible. So again, sorry I didn't really film much more, just trust that it was really cool. And here's how some of the shots turned out. think that'll just about do it for this episode. I'm very tired. It really wears you out walking around on the steep sand dunes. So I'm gonna go to my campsite, get some dinner, and then go to bed. I'm a little bit nervous to bring this camera out again. It really took a beating, and a lot of the controls are pretty sandy, and it still works. So we'll see. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't yet. I'll see you in the next video.